Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted channel for honest and informative product breakdowns. Today, we're reviewing what we consider the best dandruff relief shampoo itchy scalp solution currently available on the market. The PHARMBANNER Anti-Fungal Shampoo. Whether you suffer from folliculitis, seborrheic dermatitis, scalp psoriasis, or chronic itching and dryness, this shampoo promises to be a game-changer. Let's dive into what makes this shampoo stand out. PHARMBANNER Anti-Fungal Shampoo comes in an 8.4 fluid ounce bottle and is specifically formulated to address a wide range of scalp conditions. The secret behind its effectiveness lies in its powerful combination of active ingredients, with pyroxaluolamine taking the lead. This antifungal agent targets the root causes of flaking, itching, redness, and irritation, providing both relief and long-term care for your scalp. But what makes this product truly unique is its commitment to using natural, safe ingredients. It contains a blend of mild herb extractions, making it gentle enough for daily use while still packing a punch against tough scalp conditions. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, and packed with moisturizing properties that restore hydration and balance to the scalp, all without harsh chemicals. Application is simple. Just massage the shampoo into your scalp and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the active ingredients to penetrate deeply and do their work. Rinse thoroughly and repeat as needed. Many users appreciate the ease of use, especially those dealing with time-sensitive routines or chronic conditions that require consistent care. One of the biggest highlights is the shampoo's multifunctional ability. It doesn't just treat one condition. It actively works against folliculitis, seborrheic dermatitis, dandruff, and psoriasis. That means you don't need multiple products cluttering your shower shelf. Just one bottle does it all. It soothes itchiness, calms inflammation, reduces flaking, and deeply moisturizes, making your scalp feel clean and refreshed with every wash. For anyone struggling with an itchy, irritated scalp that doesn't seem to respond to regular shampoos, this could be the solution. It's formulated not just for treatment, but for long-term maintenance of scalp health. And the fact that it comes from a small business brand adds to its appeal. You're supporting a company that likely puts genuine care and research into its formulation rather than mass-producing generic solutions. And here's a quick reminder. Although the product is available on Amazon, it may not always show featured offers. So make sure to explore the buying options section if you can't find the add to cart button right away. That wraps up our deep dive into the PHARMBANNER Anti-Fungal Shampoo, a reliable, natural, and highly effective treatment for a wide range of scalp conditions. If you've been dealing with discomfort, this could be the relief you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and helpful product insights. See you in the next video.